I will now present to you the AP600 from ALFRA. The punching machine ALFRA Press AP600 has a gap of 600 millimeters to be able to punch the bigger doors, and we also have the possibility to have all the tools arranged here into the machine. I will now show you the system of the AP600. We have an axis which can be moved in the two directions, X axis and X direction and Y direction. We have here the die holder where we can put in all different kinds of diameters. This is for the small ones, and we have here also for the bigger ones. If we start with this one, the dies are just put in, no screws, no other fixation, only this. We have to use an adapter for this smaller tools. The tolerances are very small to have a perfect fixation. And we tighten it. We have now the punched die fixed at the right place. We will put in a plate. So. Which now can be fixed, you see, on the underside here on the edge of the plate. And the height can be also adjusted, so you always have the right height for the plate for punching the holes. On the other side there is also a fixation system of the same, you see it here, where we put it to the edge and here we can fix it. The height was too high. And now we can move it in the direction needed. We can, with this digital device, we can use this corner for, let's say, a programming of the point zero. So here we can put a point, we can fix a point. Here, let's say it's about 200 to 200 millimeters, and this will be programmed here in the digital device. So the point zero, the machine will know that the point zero is here. And with this, we can then go to the point we need to make the hole. Just by following the drawing you have and using the digital device. I will just punch one hole, and then I will change the tools. So you see the change of tools can be done without taking away the door.
This meaning one of the difference between AP600 and AP500.
Yes.
Because in the AP500 you cannot change the tool without removing the plate.
That is correct. Because the construction of the die holder is so that you have to take away the die holder here completely. You can not change it without removing the plate. This is a security, and here you have down holders, so the plate is not coming up together with the punch when you are punching.
You can see the pointer.
Laser pointer.
The laser pointer is indicating the middle of the hole. If we now change to make a rectangular hole somewhere else on the plate, we need to change the die holder and the punch. From the underside, we will open up here so we can take out the round punch, the round die, and we can put in a rectangular or another different diameter of hole. We fix it. On the upper side, we will take away the round punch, and here we will fix the rectangular punch with a, here there is a stop for the turning, so we cannot fix the punch in the wrong direction, like something. Now it's fixed, the die is fixed, and we can directly punch the next hole.
Not without the cover, of course.
With the security, yes. And with this machine, we can of course also make holes, long holes. If you need bigger holes with a smaller punch and die than the hole is. Now we can go around and make a bigger hole. So in this way, by fixing the one or the other axis, we have the possibility to move and make the holes as big as we need them.
Wolf, what is the maximum dimension the punch can be made?
Here on the 600 machine, it is, let's see, so I'm not telling something which is not correct, 68 by 68 on square.
Mm-hmm.
But due to the fact that you can go like this, you can make bigger holes, much bigger holes. And the biggest round diameter on the AP600 is 70 millimeters in diameter. I think this is the
What is very important to be noticed for our customers and future users of AP600 that you can produce various dimensions of
Yes.
punches and various combinations
that is
on
true.
rectangular, oblique, and so on.
We have standard parts in our production, standard diameters, but as we do all the toolings ourselves, we can do whatever shape, almost whatever diameter you will need. There is no limit in forms and shapes.
Okay, many thanks for your help, Wolf.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.